everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ankusha Patil, student at IIM Rohtak. As I promised you that there will be a video which will be coming very soon, where you will see that students will be sharing their IIM Rohtak interview experience. So starting with myself. So the very first question to me was, tell me something about yourself. Wherein I pitched about radio jockey, and a very obvious question which was asked to me then was, then why do I want to do MBA? Why do I don't want to continue my career in radio jockeying? So around 6 to 7 minutes we had a talk about this. After that, I said in my introduction that I hail from the city of lakes, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So then they asked me a few questions about Bhopal, some questions related to Raja Bhoj, the lakes that we have in Bhopal, and so. Later, I did my graduation in BCom. So there was a subject Principles of Management, from which they asked few questions, few laws basically, like Henry Ford law and few other laws, which I was able to give answer to. Then towards the end, they again asked me a question about if I know something about Devi Ahilya Bai. So now particularly Devi Ahilya Bai, because she also belongs to Madhya Pradesh. So basically the entire interview was like, जहाँ से मैं हूँ, जो भी मैंने pitch in किया है अपने, tell me about yourself. That's it. तो जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही प्रॉमिस किया था that in this video you will be listening to the interview experiences of some of my friends. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and I'm a student of PGP 12 here at IIM Rohtak. So my interview experience for IIM Rohtak was okayish. I had a few hiccups as well, but overall it was pretty good. So it started with the very basic question of introduce yourself. After which the conversation led to my achievements and my co-curricular interests, most of them being sports. After which they asked me about why MBA and why IIM Rohtak. So I was prepared with the answer, as everyone is. And after which they asked me questions about my undergrad. So I have specialized in marketing in my BBA. So they asked me a few questions regarding segmentation, targeting, and stuff related to marketing, which I was easily able to sail through. Then they asked me a few questions related to economics. So economics is something which I'm not very strong at. I was able to answer a few questions, but there were some concepts which I was forgetting. So I clearly told them that economics is not a very strong area of mine, and then they moved on. After which they asked me a few questions about current affairs. So at that time, farm laws was a really hot topic. So current affairs is something that all of you need to work really hard on, because current affairs is generally asked in all interviews. So this was all, after which we signed off, and that's it. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Atharva Patinkar and I am a student at IIM Rohtak. So talking about my interview experience at IIM Rohtak, the initial part of the interview was centered on current affairs. So I was asked questions on the India-China conflict, I was asked questions about the farm laws and various other hot topics that were trending at that moment. And after that they moved on to my work experience. So they basically asked me about the company that I was working for and the role that I was in, and they also asked me a few questions on the clients. So after that they asked me a few questions on my graduation. As I'm a BCom graduate, they asked me a couple of accounting questions and some of the laws in economics. So be well prepared for that, because you are going to be asked questions on your graduation domain. And after that they asked me a few HR questions. They asked me why do I want to pursue MBA and which specialization do I want to get into and why that particular specialization. So it was a pretty smooth experience, and I had been asked questions that a person must prepare for before going into an interview. So all the best.
So my interview for IIM Rohtak, it started with the quintessential question, introduce yourself, which was followed by why MBA. I, being a dentist, already had an answer prepared for that, and my interview went forward from that own topic itself. Thereafter, I was asked a few basic questions about my graduation subjects. However, I believe the key takeaway from the interview is that they don't test you whether you know the right answer or not, because more often than you will like it, you won't be knowing the right answers, especially when it comes to the current affairs, the general knowledge topics. However, they attest you how well you handle stress. When you don't know an answer, how well do you make a comeback? You apologize for not knowing the answer, and obviously you let them know that I will know and get back to you, sir. So, and thereafter the interview moved forward, and one of the biggest questions which I believe landed me a seat in this college was, what are the 3 biggest achievements in your life for which you have certificates? Now, to which my reply was that, sir, the biggest achievement which in my life is something which cannot be defined by a certificate. And I proceeded to narrate an incident from my own life. So, to which they replied that that is a really standard answer, we did not expect that. So, I think the key takeaway is that not to know the right answers, but to speak as you are. Let them know the kind of person you are, the confidence you have, and that you can bear the stress of the MBA life along with its happiness together. Thank you so much.
That's it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. If you did like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Also, special thanks to all of you for showering all the love, and until we meet again, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.